Good morning. I'm going for a hike today. No dogs, because no dogs allowed. It's a waterfall hike. And then I kind of plan to try and find a place that I stopped at in my Tahoe video. Have to come back and do this someday. Little rest stop, PCT access place. Wanted to hike that a little bit. I have cash for the fee that you're supposed to give to do day use there. Just want to get out. I have to work the next 4 days, so today I just wanted to get out in the sunshine and do something. Van is under construction at the moment. I don't have any kind of floor or anything in here. I have a floor sitting in my driveway that I've been working on. Today I'm going to take you along with me while I go hike to a waterfall. Hike. Wasps. No, thank you. First waterfall. So today, I just wanted to do a small hike with some climbing so I could see how my shape is, like after pneumonia and just being kind of sedentary for the last couple years. I used to be kind of a fitness, hiking, running buff before that. Here's the van. Go see it. So that was kind of it. I mean, this wasn't a long hike by any means, but I knew that it had some elevation, some climbing to it. I wanted to see how I'd handle it because I'm doing a much longer, more strenuous hike later this month. Look at that view. It's beautiful. I'm like pleasantly surprised at how well I did. Nice little test today. I got out in the sunshine. Just got to go for a beautiful road trip. I don't think I've ever been on 88 before. Oh, that's the other reason I came here. I wanted to backtrack my way home and keep an eye out for that rest stop area pull-off for the PCT that I visited in June when I went to Tahoe. I had no service there, and I didn't like do anything to save or bookmark where I was, and I really want to go back there. I took Road 88 over here, which I did spot a lot of pretty awesome lakes and potential spots for dispersed camping. Cool road, but I'm going to take a different route home so that I can try and find that same little pull-off spot, because I really liked it there. It just had like a good vibe to it. Right now, I'm getting closer and closer to the van and the bathroom, which I absolutely should have hit before climbing up a hill and listening to a waterfall. Oh, hey girl. I don't know what's going on with me today. I'm feeling like super Gen X because I'm getting a lot of Diet Coke. It's like a road trip thing for me. I don't even drink it that much, like only if I go out to dinner or road trips, but pretty cool. I was able to get another, oh, it's a really good one too. So I got a Diet Coke and I got a Milky Way so I could spend enough money, hopefully, to justify getting a free spoon, which I was honest about. I was like, I really need a spoon. So yeah, this is my little setup. Well, I did not find that rest area. I'm on Highway 50, and that was not right either. But I'm headed home and just wanted to eat some food real quick. I got this macaroni salad yesterday for my little road trip today. And that was why I needed my gas station spoon. I'm gonna eat a little bit and then continue on home. Oh, what I also have, this is a fillet that my husband made last night. So all I have is a spoon. I forgot silverware. Forgot a plate. I just wasn't thinking. So I'm just gonna still heaven. Yeah, I'm just eating somewhere here in the El Dorado National Forest. And then gotta go home.